Good morning, Attlee. It's Jack over at Anchor Cars Tadley. Just thought I'd send over the video as we agreed for the Jeep Renegade that you're interested in. Comes in the lovely black colour on a 71 plate. Overall, the condition of the vehicle, I've had a look around it already. Seems to be quite good condition. No major stone chips on the bonnet that I can see. All appears to be in good condition. Coming around the sides as well, looks to be quite nice. Front alloy on the passenger side, a few signs of wear, but again, good condition. Front parking sensors on this vehicle as well is a nice touch to have. Coming to look down the passenger side, there's a few, minor signs of use, a few car park marks. Nothing I'm concerned about for the age or mileage, seems to be in good condition. Looking at the passenger side rear alloy, seems to be in good condition as well. Rear parking sensors as well on the vehicle with a reversing camera. Nice, decent sized boot on this vehicle as well. Looking at the alloy on the passenger side rear and continuing along as well. Front alloy also seems to be in good condition. Looking down the driver's side of the vehicle, there is a very slight sign of a dent just there, but it's only quite mild. The camera probably picks it up more than the human eye does. Looking in the interior condition on the back, seems to be good condition. Just needs a bit of a clean at the moment. Electric seats on this vehicle is a nice touch. All leather appears to be in good condition. I'm not seeing any rips on any of the leather. Seems to be quite nice throughout. Keyless start on this vehicle. It does start up quite nicely. There we go. You've got all your lovely entertainment systems in there as well. That will switch on. You've got park assist options for yourself as well. Dual zone air conditioning. Electric handbrake as well. Got the nice thick steering wheel as well with cruise control. Looks like it might have adaptive cruise control on this vehicle as well, which is another nice touch. There we go. If we continue to have a final look around on the front as well, and on the roof, appears to be in good condition. Overall, the vehicle, I'm quite happy with the condition it's in. It seems to reflect itself quite nicely for a 71 plate, being nearly 4 years old now. I will also send you across some information on the different levels of customer care packages that we do, which will include delivery options for you to your address as well. Look forward to speaking to you soon, Attlee. Take care and have a lovely day.